Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to activate a Survey Junkie profile, a simple and effective way to earn money by sharing your opinions. Following these step-by-step instructions will help you get started on your journey to earning rewards effortlessly. Step 1. Visit the Survey Junkie website. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the Survey Junkie website. You can easily find it by searching for Survey Junkie or entering the URL directly. Step 2. Sign up for an account. Once you're on the home page, look for the Join or Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you will be directed to the registration page. Step 3. Fill out your information. On the registration page, you'll need to provide some basic information, including your email address and a password. Be sure to choose a secure password to protect your account. After filling in your details, click on the Sign Up button. Step 4. Confirm your email. After signing up, you'll receive an email from Survey Junkie to confirm your account. Go to your email inbox, find the confirmation email, and click on the verification link. This step is essential to activate your profile. Step 5. Complete your profile. Once your email is confirmed, return to the Survey Junkie website and log into your account. You'll be prompted to complete your profile by answering a few questions about your demographics, interests, and preferences. This information helps match you with relevant surveys that you can participate in for maximum rewards. Step 6. Start taking surveys. After setting up your profile, you're all set to start taking surveys. Navigate to the Surveys section on the website, where you'll find available surveys tailored to your profile. Each completed survey will earn you points, which can later be redeemed for cash or gift cards. Step 7. Stay engaged for more opportunities. To maximize your earning potential, be sure to log in regularly and check for new surveys. Survey Junkie often updates their available opportunities, and being active can lead to more rewards. Don't forget to track your progress and see how your points accumulate. Achieving higher milestones may unlock additional earning possibilities. Thanks for watching our tutorial on how to activate your Survey Junkie profile. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks, and don't forget to like this video if you found it useful. Happy surveying!